Her name is Tommy Trouble.
We have two beautiful ladies over here, dancing, having a good time.
How are you?
What's your name?
I'm Shada.
You're looking very nice.
Oh, thank you.
How are you enjoying the party?
It's banging. Can you?
Hello, my darling. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Cindy.
How are you enjoying the party?
I'm absolutely enjoying myself. I love it.
Today we have an exclusive interview with the producer of Backyard TV. Mr. Producer, tell us about the Backyard TV Lounge.
There's always stuff going on. Camera is always rolling. You know, I look a bit at this, look a bit at that.
Little bit of trouble.
Little bit of trouble.
We want to tell the world how New Yorkers get down. How do New Yorkers get down? You want to tell them or you want to show them how New Yorkers get down? Stephen is going to tell us a little bit about Fashion Army and show us, you know, some of the clothes.
It's called Got Swag, you dig?
My youth a bubble on him, girl.
Here with Louie and Bobby from Irie Jam. Go on the street. Do you go like just for Irie Jam promotions, or you go to specific businesses? This is your host Tommy, and I'm here today with the one and only brother Rashan. So, brother Rashan, I've been hearing a lot about you, and I'm just getting to meet you today. What age did you realize that you know about herbs?
How are you enjoying yourself?
I'm enjoying myself.
Her name is Tommy Trouble.
Look at the truth, life is within. Backyard
TV always win, never lose. That is why you're the superstar.
Right, this is how New Yorkers get down, baby.
First, so we are here at a church down here at 216, and we are here with Joan. We have all the high-end designer brands by Gucci, Prada, Fendi, Versace, Chanel, Roberto Cavalli, Sue Wang, Ed Hardy, Versace, Valentino, Dior, Dolce Gabbana, and many more. Hey, what's up, New York? You're hanging with your girl, Tommy Trouble. We're here at Backyard TV's Talent Showtime week number 10. This is your girl, Tommy Trouble, and we're here at the big Backyard TV barbecue. You guys got some food?
I'm about to in a minute.
Here there's a Jamaican chef working wonders in the kitchen. Let's hear from the chef.
We have a, Asian, like a Japanese, fusion, and we have like a crew of guys from.
First lady and our daughter, how are you guys?
Oh, we're doing wonderful.
Hey Tommy, how you doing, beautiful?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Backyard TV, from long, me love half Tommy. I always watch her every Tuesday night.
Now we know. Broadcasting live at Flavors International Grill. So let's go inside and check it out and see if Flavors really have any flavor. What's your name?
Denise.
Do you come here all the time?
Every day.
So it's worth the trip, no matter which part you live, and you want some good food, some flavor from the island. Make the trip out here too. Okay, so we have the youngins over here. Hi, how are you guys doing?
How you doing? Fine.
How are you guys enjoying the party?
It's good.
What's your name?
Meek.
And yours?
Juice.
How are you doing?
I'm here, Skinny John.
Well, thank you for coming in the house.
Yes, I'm very glad I come because I'm having a real good time over here,
Did you guys get something to eat?
Yes, the food was delicious.
Tell us a little bit about the history of Backyard TV.
Majority of people in this world.
We find out best man in the house.
Yeah, best man is in the building. Listen, I'm the guard dog for the backyard. You see what I'm saying?
Tell us about some trouble that you have gotten into as a child, a little bit of trouble.
That's what we'll be eating. Her name is Tommy Trouble.